Nothing to be depressed or pessimistic about with our forecast, that's
No.
for sure.
And people have needed and wanted rain for so long that, it's kind of surprising that it's such a good amount of rain forecasted so early. And tomorrow morning this time, we may be in the middle of it.
Should we be worried about the wind? They're talking about maybe this front coming in with winds.
Whenever we get a storm like this, I would make sure, the lawn furniture and if you have trash cans out, things like that, make sure those. Another thing we haven't had a whole lot of is, we get a lot of lightning out of these storms. So if you got some things plugged in, I'd go around the house and just unplug them.
Right.
You don't want to find out your 50-inch plasma is not functioning after the storm, even though we want the rain.
Right.
That is going to be the case. We'll talk about several items in this. Want to look at radar right now. Storm profiler showing very quiet conditions, but don't let that fool you. We do not usually see the light mist on radar that we're seeing right now. So if you're going to be out and about, roads could be slick wherever you're driving. Watch for that. Give it a little time. Of course, obviously, on the turns, the bends, and the flyovers. Be careful for that. Doesn't show up here. We've had physical reports of it. Weather Service was reporting it out at Mabry as well. So give that some time and attention this morning. 70 degrees, cloudy skies, a breeze out of the south at 6 miles per hour, humidity at 87%. Temperatures, low 60s to low 70s area wide. That's really not going to be the story today. We've had some cold weather, and that was a story. This is going to be about rain chances. Now, 50s to the north, 60s and 70s scattered about. This is what we're going to be watching, though, from the left side of the screen. I've got an L here. That's not the location of the area of low pressure. It's a little further out, but just for now, we are expecting it to move through this area this evening and overnight. So watch for that direction on radar, and you'll see a few sprinkles possible today, but here's what's shaping up. A slight risk for severe weather from that system as it moves in from late tonight into early tomorrow morning. That puts a bullseye right over Austin, Texas. That's a good chance for thunderstorms through tomorrow morning, and then after that, it moves out of here and we're done. So breezy and humid for today. An afternoon shower, I would not be surprised if we had a little isolated shower pop up, but that's not going to be the weather that we're concerned about. It's overnight thunderstorms are the ones that we'll be watching. Here's our forecast model. Shower possibilities this morning. Yeah, we got it. You can see a little bit of clearing there for this afternoon. That's noontime, but watch what happens about 6 o'clock this evening. That's not the system that we're talking about. It's all that moisture coming together, and you see a few showers there. We get into the latter part of the evening, close to midnight. You see some showers and thunderstorms coming in, and then watch what happens from 11:45, just a short time later, 12:30, we've got some thunderstorms firing up to the southwest of us, starting to get a little bullseye of heavy weather. Watch what happens by 3:45. A line of thunderstorms develop. Now into drive time tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. Could have a bullseye of severe weather possibilities right there. Look how slowly, 8:15 over the Austin area. By 9:15 tomorrow morning, thunderstorms still present. And then after that, it rolls out of here. But tomorrow morning, from late tonight till tomorrow morning, you need to really watch the weather around here to see what is developing. Could have as much as 2 inches of rainfall, but again, lightning, thunder, as Shannon had mentioned, some wind concerns out there. All of these we haven't had a whole lot of, so it's going to be a refresher for us, but it's going to be refreshing to get that rain. 81 degrees for the high today. Could have the skies clearing up this afternoon, but again, don't let that fool you. Tonight, thunderstorms likely late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Those will wake you up. 61 degrees, maybe going to bed early would be a good idea to get some extra sleep if you're tired. Now, 7-day forecast has the rain chance tonight through tomorrow morning, and then clearing, and then 71 on Wednesday. So we do cool down a little bit from 81 to 71. Upper 60s, low 70s, and warms back up to the upper 70s to near 80 by the weekend, but no rain chances after what we have tonight and tomorrow. First warning weather and traffic together.